So if we take a kind of decision, what I call a linear decision, this is the kind of decision that when you take it, it has the same amount of economic downside as upside. Any kind of decision, I don't like to use the term bet, but any kind of bet that you might take, whether it's a business bet or otherwise, is one where if you do it and you fail, you have some corresponding downside. If you succeed equally, you'll have some corresponding upside, but the two are similar. So then we want to look at what an exponential decision looks like. And this is where the return on investment is, if you fail, very small. So that's what that looks like there. But if you succeed, that the success in this case is very large. So this is where you take the kinds of decisions where the downside is small and the success is large. Now, if we could structure in our innovation policies, if we could structure the kinds of decisions where, for example, we're creating a new business model, the economic downside can be shown to be very small, but the potential upside could be very large, what would you as an organization want to do in terms of these kinds of decisions? You would want to take as many of these kinds of decisions as possible. Because if you're not sure which of the decisions is going to be successful, and this of course cannot be predicted, especially if you're working on something that's kind of interesting, something that's a little bit out there, something that might be scientific in nature, then it's going to be really challenging to try and say what I get when I talk to every CFO of every company I work with. Instead of doing lots of things, why don't we just do the things that are going to work